you by thesis123.com. I learn and teach online.
Here's the next question, number 32. A self-commutating switch SW operated at duty cycle delta is used to control the load voltage as shown in the figure. Under steady state operating conditions, the average voltage across the inductor and the capacitor respectively are. So we have our four options given to us. Now they have asked us to find out the expression for the inductor voltage and the capacitor voltage. Now observe the figure given. You should know that this figure resembles the circuit for a basic chopper. More precisely, it resembles the circuit for a step-up chopper. So a step-up chopper circuit is as such. We have a diode here, we have our load here, we have our switch here, chopper switch D, L, VL. This is our input source Vs, and we have our current flowing here Is. We have our output voltage across the load here L. Okay, so this is the general circuit for a basic step-up chopper. Now a step-up chopper is also known as a boost converter, and according to the definition, it is used to increase the input voltage level of its output side. So here it is given to us that the duty cycle is delta here. So V naught in terms of duty cycle delta is 1 divided by 1 minus delta into Vs. And under steady state operating conditions, please note that the inductor voltage is always 0. Steady state, under steady state operating conditions. So which means that here VL is equal to 0 and A and C, these are the two options where we have VL is equal to 0. Now here when V naught is equal to 1 by 1 minus delta into Vs, this is the output voltage in terms of the duty cycle delta and the source voltage. Now this is a standard equation. So if you compare it with the figure given to us over here, now here V naught is the output across the load. Now here we have a capacitor on this end, which means that Vc is equal to 1 by 1 minus delta into Vs. Now the source voltage is VDC over here, which means that we have VL is equal to 0 according to steady state conditions, operating conditions, and Vc is equal to 1 by 1 minus delta into VDC, where Vc corresponds to V naught, VDC corresponds to Vs as far as the basic formulas are concerned. So A is the right option here. Well, I hope the explanation has helped.
Thank you for watching this video. For future videos, please click here to subscribe YouTube channel. Visit our site thesis123.com for free student project or research ideas and online training. Follow us Facebook, Twitter, Google+ and Pinterest.